Hi, so I'm trying to give you a mini tour of my room. Next to my bed, I have a bedside lamp. Over here I have a snake. I had it started some time. Alright. And here's the switch. It's on. And here I charge my iPad and my phone. Sometimes I smartwatch. I can put the charger here. This is like an intercom thing. Yes, it's a home phone, but it has an intercom feature, so that my parents can just, move and call me if I'm having a screen upstairs, like parents do. And here's a painting I made, which is on my Etsy, if you want. And here I put the remote, tissues, and nighttime icon. And here I put my headphones and other stuff. Next thing, here's my bed. Here's where I sleep. And here's my main back chair. Pillows for small. It's nighttime I'm recording this, okay? So hustle. And here's enough that I charge my wireless headphones and other stuff in. Next we have the office chair. Comfy, fashionable, and style. And here's my desk. I might get like shelves here to organize a little more. I might not, I don't know. But I kind of like the way it is right now. Here I have my speech therapy stuff. I don't know why I shouldn't. I have my journal in case I smell water. My marker for writing stuff. And my agenda. I don't know what these are for, okay? And here is a Minecraft Lego set that I have had for probably a year now. I was doing like a live stream or something on the side at some point. I will decide on that at some point. And here's all my makeup. I mean some of my makeup. I have more in my closet. Here's my concealer. Yeah, concealer. My hand cream, my blush, my makeup brushes, light, my microphone, video camera, and some random things I bought on Amazon. It was a phase, alright? And here I have some mugs that I read soon. And pencils and pens. And like some headphones. Here I have headphones for Zoom calls. Here is my electronics stuff. I would normally put my switch here, but I'm too lazy to right now. So here's like my video camera and like video game charger, extra boxes in case of my batteries, 3DS games, Nintendo Switch games, 3DS, and combo to go on. And the first one now is all my school stuff. Yes, I know this is broken. My cards will be something. So, go ahead in the comments. Like, I will be mad if there are mad comments about that. Because I'm mad about too. And there's Luna, and college on. So that's school college, video games, and now on. Now wait for this one. Maybe you're going so much. Sticker pens, other stuff to help, some paint, more paint, watch pads, paint, some pencils, more pencils, markers, brush pens, canvases, markers, crystals, palettes, more markers, and yeah. So I have one more chore, which is my main chore, I guess you can say. So I have a sketchbook which my friend gave me before I moved, which I love nearly. I have a sketch thing that has just different shades of pencil. My last sketchbook of a desktop, Cosmos, lip gloss, pencils, pen, headphone case. I will put my sketchbook here. Here's some hard stuff, as you can see. And now onto the window. Oh, hi me. Normally, in the daytime, you hear me around you, but also here. But yeah, now onto the window sill. My air freshener thing, which I don't know if this works or not. Only way to find out. A snake, another one. A walk I made for my art class. He asked us to like came and draw something. So I drew a rabbit's foot. Here's some hallmarks and here's the foot. A sign. And here's a speaker. And over here, you see my recording ring that I put my camera and mic in when I'm going somewhere in my record. And here's my tripod. So honestly, if you're playing on your phone, I recommend this one. It's so good. Now on to the Pilsen, which I have it on. I know. My shoes. Those are my summer shoes. Those are my summer shoes. But since it's spring and like winter still, kind of here. Oh yeah, my Converse is downstairs. Oops. So here's other med stuff. I think I'm gonna open soon. Slippers, my guitar. And in that green box is some crap. And here are my bags. Here's my bags, which this is what I have for like big trips. This is what I use for my art stuff. And this is what I use these I use them I want to for. And here I have like random stuff which I use in case someone else is using this one. This almost never happens, but I like them. And on top I have other journals and I think more notebooks in the corner. I have some albums. What they cute, okay? This is my mom's. Here's things when my hair gets longer. More makeup. Here's like braces and other small jewelry. And here are my nails. Fingernails and that stuff. Okay, I have asked my mom to take this multiple times because I don't see myself wearing it. It's never mess, which actually feels nice. So here are my long pants. Here are my short pants. And now the short shorts, which I'm honestly excited to wear. Like I can't wait. Long sleeves. And there is sketching clothes, which you'll see at some point. I'm Roy, and over there's just random crap. So, this is an upgrade for my own room, but I have my own thermostat. These are really an upgrade. I've had these. Light switch, dims. Light switch, and dimmer, fan, and here's my fluorescent light. And now here's my drawer. It's not normally this messy, but because of me, which I don't know why. Maybe a Christianity thing. I don't know why. Here are my nail polishes. Here's all my nail polish. I'm gonna ask more for me. Okay, my aunt gave me this. And whenever my miscellaneous paper, I don't know why. And for my eraser. And then, I forget her name. Oh, Henry. It's Henry. Hi, Henry. Henry. Hey, Max. And I don't put it stuff on me because when I open and close this, it shakes. So in here I have random stuff. Like, picture stuff. And yeah. So, I have an other clothes in here. And now I have a mirror, so. Honey. I probably look so fucking gay. And that's fine. Because I kind of am. So yeah. That's my room. Besides the fan. But I can show you if it works. So there you go. That's the lamp. Almonds. So that's a wrap on the new place. I love it.